Hey everyone, and welcome back to Azeem USA.
Have you ever had an idea in your head, a really vivid one, and just wished you could pull it out and make it real? Well, today we're diving into a technology that gets us incredibly close to doing exactly that. We're talking about turning simple words into complex 3D objects, and it's all thanks to something called Meshy AI. I mean, just stop and think about that for a second. What if you had the power to build entire worlds, to dream up fantastical creatures, or to design detailed prototypes for an invention? And all you had to do was type? No super expensive software, no spending years learning complex technical skills, just your imagination and a keyboard. That is the incredible promise that we're going to unpack right now. And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? The idea of creating these complex, detailed 3D objects just by describing them. This is a massive shift in how we think about digital creation. And to really get how big of a deal this is, we got to look at how things used to be done. For decades, making anything in 3D has been this super specialized skill, reserved for experts. And there's a very, very good reason for that. The old way of doing things is, to put it lightly, just intense. It's this slow, incredibly painstaking process where you have to master these ridiculously complex and often super expensive pieces of software. For so long, those barriers have kept the power of 3D creation in the hands of a pretty select few. Okay, so let's get into it, because this is where Meshy AI just walks onto the scene and completely changes the entire game, tearing down all those barriers we were just talking about. So what's the secret sauce here? What is this thing? Well, at its core, Meshy AI is basically a platform that uses some seriously smart AI to translate your written descriptions into fully formed 3D models. It really is that simple. You describe it, the AI builds it. And the process itself, it's almost deceptively simple. First, you just type what you're imagining into a prompt. Then, in the background, these powerful algorithms get to work, figuring out the meaning behind your words. And then boom, a 3D model that matches what you described just gets generated. It's this beautiful, seamless flow from an idea in your head to an object on your screen. And we're not talking about vague descriptions here. The level of detail you can use is just incredible. You're not just saying car. You can get specific. You can talk about the material, the color, the size, even call out individual parts. The AI is actually trained to understand all those little nuances and bring them to life. So, what does a tool like this actually mean for the real world? This isn't just some cool tech novelty. This has the potential to totally shake up entire industries. And just look at the list of who can use this. It's staggering. Think about game developers. They can now create prototypes for assets in minutes instead of days. Or an architect who can instantly show a client a vision they just described. From product design and film to education and even 3D printing, that creative bottleneck just gets blown wide open. The potential is absolutely massive. This slide right here, this is the core of the revolution. What used to be slow is now basically instant. What was exclusive and required tons of expertise is now accessible to pretty much anyone. And what was crazy expensive is now way more cost-effective. It's not an exaggeration to call this a true paradigm shift. Now, with any kind of technology this new and this powerful, it's always important to be realistic. We need to look at where it is right now, but also get really excited about where it's headed. So yeah, let's be real. As amazing as it is, the technology isn't perfect yet. The accuracy of the models can sometimes vary, and they might need a little manual cleanup. Super complex objects are still a challenge, and the amount of fine-tuned artistic control you have is still a work in progress. But here's the thing, those aren't dead ends. They're just the hurdles we're at today. This whole field of text to 3D generation is moving at lightning speed. I mean, improvements are happening constantly. So when we look to the future, what can we expect? Well, for sure, we're going to see AI that delivers much higher accuracy and way more detail. We'll get user interfaces that give us more granular, artist-level control. And, this is a big one, these tools are going to start integrating seamlessly with the professional software that people already use and love. So when you put all of that together, what we're really watching happen is something pretty profound. That old, solid barrier that used to exist between a creative idea in your head and a tangible thing on your screen, well, it's pretty much dissolving right before our eyes. And that really leaves us with a huge, fascinating question to think about. As this technology gets better and better and better, what are we all going to build when the only thing holding us back isn't our technical skill or our budget, but simply our ability to imagine something and find the right words to describe it?
So what are your thoughts on Meshy AI? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tech news and updates. And a huge thank you to everyone who uses Super Thanks, stickers, and Super Chat. Your support helps keep this channel going. It really means the world to me. I'll be checking out your comments, so let me know what other AI technologies you'd like me to cover. And remember, you can find the full article detailing Meshy AI's capabilities and limitations on azeemusa.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.